All right, boys and girls, time to do our next paperwork. Don't forget, keep that crazy hair going. Make sure you have your pencils out, okay? So we have the lowercase r here, and you have your paperwork, and we have the uppercase R. What you need to do first is take your pencil and nicely trace those dotted R's, just to make it look like you did them yourself. How's that? Good job. Now you're going to go to the second line here, and you are going to make your own little R's. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're going to make our 4 R's. Don't go above that second line there. And take your time with your pencil. All right, I think everyone's doing a great job. Here we go. Let's see, how many R's do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, we have 4 capital R's we have to trace. So take your pencils, do nice and slow. Trace those R's. Make them look like you did them yourself. Wow, you guys are doing great work. Okay, since there's 4 capital R's here, we're going to try and do 4 capital R's down here. So just take your time. Let's see, we make a back. I call it the head. And then we're just going to kick a leg out. And there's my first R. Let's try it again. Make a back. A little head goes to the middle. And kick your leg out. All right, I'm not going to say how to do it this time. See if you can do it yourself. There we go. And don't forget, we always have to make sure we put our name. And I'm going to, how I always do my name for you. My name is Mrs. Hickey. Put the name on the top. All right, I think you guys did a pretty good job. So now you're going to take this paper, set it aside, and let's get ready for our rooster paper. This is our math page now for today, okay? I have my scissors. You're going to need glue, and you're going to need your crayons, okay? Let's look at our rooster here. It's funny because he's missing all these pretty feathers. Let me move this out of the way. By looking at the numbers, we have to look at the feathers and match them to the correct number. Well, let's see. What number is this? That's right, it's number 1. So we're going to look over here and find the number 1 feather. Guess what? There it is, because it only has how many dots? 1. So this feather matches the number 1. So let's cut this feather out. I'm going to undo my paper. Take your time and cut on the black lines. Let me stick that back up there for you. I have my glue. I'm going to glue my number 1 feather right on the number 1 spot. There we go. So then, what do you think this number is? That's right, it's number 2. So we have to look for which feather? That's right, the one with number 2 dots. 1 and 2. So we're going to cut that feather out. And we're going to glue it and match it to the number 2 on the rooster. Let me just cut mine out. There we go. Stick it back. Here we go. I'm putting glue on the number 2. And there is my feather. So far now we have 1 and 2. The next number, 3. Good job. So we have to find the feather with how many dots? 3. You're right. You're doing great, guys. Let's cut out that feather. So So we're going to take the feather with the 3 dots. And we're going to glue it and stay on the black line. We got to keep practicing how to cut before we come back to class. And we're going to put a glue on number 3. And there we go. Match it right on top of the number 3. Okay. I think everybody's caught up still, right? All right, I'm going to keep moving on. Now we have the number 4. Very good. So do you think it's going to be this feather or this feather? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not number 4 dots, right? Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. This feather has 4 dots. So we are going to cut it out and glue it where? Yes, to the number 4. Okay, I'm almost done. You guys are doing such a great job. Thank you so much for listening. I love my pre-K class so much, and I miss you guys. Can't wait to get back in that classroom. All right, there we go. So that means our very last feather left has how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 dots. And what number is remaining? Number 5. So guess what? We have the matching feather. Let's cut this feather out. I'm sure you guys are doing better than me with cutting right now. Okay. Here we go. So we have 5 feathers. Now it's time to color our rooster. This time let's try and do it together. We're going to take orange and let's color in his beak. Now I know I have some students that do a great job and they take their time, so that's okay. But I'm going to move on for those who are ready to go, okay? Let's take the red crayon. We're going to do his hair. And then this is called the gobbler. Now don't color his eye in red though. Good job, guys. Keep up the good work. Stay in the lines. You know, Mrs. Ponarelli will be looking for that. I was thinking, why don't we do his head part yellow? We're almost done for the day. You're doing great. Almost done. There we go. Now, of course, mine isn't as nice as yours because I'm rushing just to show you. Our next color we're going to use is brown. See the wing right here, the black line? Let's trace it dark. And then you can take your crayon and then let's color the body of the rooster brown. Not his feet. Oh, I know you guys are working hard. I'm so proud of you that you knew your numbers and you're matching them to the right dot. Let's try and stay in the lines here. Alrighty. We're going to go back and get our light orange. And if you don't have light orange, you can use your dark orange. That's okay. And we're going to do his feet. Now, after we're done our feet, I'm gonna let you guys do your feathers by yourself, and you can do any colors you want, but you have to do different colors. So if there's 5 feathers, that means I would like to see 5 different colors, okay? All right, so now that we're done for the day, we're moving fast, but you guys are doing such a great job. I cannot wait to see more videos and more pictures. I miss you guys so much. Tomorrow we have a book to make, and I think there's painting, I'm not sure. But I will see you again tomorrow. I love you all. Sweet dreams. Look for my video tomorrow. Bye.